Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. So today I'm going to show you how I like to prep my hair before I do long-term protective styling. So I'm going to get started by taking down my puff. I've been wearing it for about 2 days and she's cute, but now I haven't washed my hair in almost 2 weeks, and this is kind of how I know it's time for me to start protective styling, is because I'm starting to neglect my hair. Once I get to the point that, doing my hair feels like a genuine chore, it's time to just go ahead and do protective styling. So to get started, I'm actually going to start with some warm water. And if you watched my last video, I made this little rice situationship but I showed you guys this little mask that I've been trying out for a cute little minute now, and I really like it as like a cute little protein treatment for my hair right before protective styling, because as y'all know, you need to make sure your hair is good and healthy going into these styles, or they will not be protecting Nathan nor Nathaniel. So I've started by putting my hair into sections, and I'm going to work on one side of my head at a time for simplicity's sake. This half I'm going to divide in half again and then in half again. So I'm going to have 4 sections on each side. Right, now that I have this section free, I'm going to use some warm water and I'm going to go ahead and dampen that section. And I just want to make sure my section is damp. You don't want it to be wet. And I'm gonna go ahead and lightly finger detangle. Y'all, my color is almost completely grown out. Like, it's really just like that. That's the only thing I have. That's crazy. I swear my hair be growing. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take my little mixture here and I'm gonna put that all over the section. I'm also putting this on my scalp because, hair grows from the scalp, obviously. So you want to make sure your scalp gets all the benefits of the stuff you're putting on your strands as well. Now that this section is good and covered and all nice and soaked, I'm going to divide this section in half. And then I'm going to just twist it to be dealt with at a later date. And then I just repeat that process to the rest of my head. Okay, so now that the mixture is like completely in my hair and it's all nice and saturated, I'm going to put on a shower cap, and then I'm also going to put on a towel turban to just trap some heat, and I'm going to leave this on my head for 45 minutes. So again, I'm going to let this sit on my hair for 45 minutes and then I will meet you all in the shower. So welcome back to my shower, guys. And as you can see here, my hair is pretty stiff, which for me tells me that my little mask is working. So I'm going to start by rinsing my hair with some warm water, and this is to get the initial mask off. From there, I'm going to use my Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Shampoo to go ahead and wash my hair in these 4 sections. While I usually will wash my hair in twists or plaits, since we had that mask on, I'm going to leave my hair free during the wash day today. So after that initial wash, I'm going to rinse out that shampoo and I'm going to give my hair one more good wash. So each section will be washed twice. Once the section has been washed and rinsed out, I'm going to divide it in half and I'm going to twist up that section. And from there, I'm going to repeat the process to the other 4 sections. Now that all 4 sections have been shampooed, it's time to condition and detangle. So I'm going to take the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to use that to detangle my hair today. So I'm going to take some of the conditioner, put it on the section, and then divide the section in order to thoroughly detangle with a brush. Now that the section is detangled, I'm going to grab my favorite deep conditioner, which is the Curls Cashmere and Caviler Hair Mask. I absolutely love this mask. It is the absolute best thing for my hair. Once the deep conditioner is thoroughly in that section, I'm going to twist that smaller section up as well and repeat the process all over again. And I didn't show it in the clips for some reason, but this is also the time where I would add my rice water to my scalp. I go ahead and do a rice water treatment and a deep conditioning treatment at the same time, just so it saves time and I'm not wasting time rinsing one product out to put another product in and then rinsing it out again. Once I have finished all my hair, I will put on a shower cap and I will add a towel turban to trap some extra heat. Then I will leave this mask on for 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes longer if I'm feeling lazy and I have some stuff I need to do around the house, before rinsing it out. So I am out of the shower, I am deep conditioned, and I have rinsed my hair. Now the next step in my, yes. Oh my, y'all, my hair feels so soft. It feels so good. Yes. So now that my hair is clean and deep conditioned, the next thing I'm going to do is go to the Green Collection by Curls and use the Bamboo Protein Treatment to strengthen and thicken my hair. I like the fact that it says it's a protein treatment, but I don't feel like it's as... Okay, that happened. But I don't feel like it's as harsh as a regular protein treatment because it's meant to be left in, you know? Like the serious protein treatments you rinse out. You don't leave those girls in. But I'm going to take probably like maybe a quarter size amount and put it on this section. So this product absorbs really, really fast. It does not sit on my hair, and I have low porosity hair, so I'm very much used to products just sitting on top of it and not really absorbing. But it absorbs. It has a very fresh smell. It kind of smells like cucumbers to me, which I really like. It just smells fresh. It smells clean. You know, that good jazz. So next I'm going to take my Denman brush and I'm going to brush through that section just to make sure that it is 100% detangled, because now that I put that protein treatment on, it's time for me to stretch my hair. So when I stretch my hair, I do it in quadrants. So since I broke apart those quadrants to detangle my hair and wash it and all that good stuff, I'm going to essentially just put those back together once I start stretching my hair out. Question for y'all. Do y'all care to like know about me and my life and like what's been going on? I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while, and I was wondering if you guys cared to know why, like, or if you guys just cared about what I was doing in my life. The answer is no. Just let me know in the comments. But if it is yes, I was thinking about doing a get ready with me, kind of explaining to you guys what's going on in my life and where I'm at in life. But if you don't care and you're just here like, sis, I don't care to know you, I just want to know all the hair tips, that's fine too. Just let me know. Okay, So now that section is completely detangled, I'm going to be taking a hair tie. I'm going to secure that section. And I'm going to try to make this as like close to my scalp and tight as I can make it without, like, you know, causing me any kind of discomfort. I just want it to be secure. I don't need it to be pulling on my imagination. And yes, I did get my technique for stretching my hair from the Chic Naturals. So she does a better job of explaining it and all that other stuff. So if you want to go check it out, you can look at it on her channel. But now that I have that secured, I'm going to break this into 3 sections. And then I'm going to just create a nice big braid. And since my hair is prone to tangling, I want to make sure that I'm brushing out. Like every couple of turns, I want to make sure to brush out all my hair again. At least comb it out with a nice big comb. Just so I can make sure it's getting it nice and straight. Nice and stretched, you know, it's not going to be straight. And once I've kind of run out of my 3 strands, because just how my hair is set up, I'm going to twist the ends like a regular 2-strand twist. And then to make sure it's secure, I'm going to take an elastic band and I'm going to put that on the end. And that's just because I just don't want these to come, you know, I don't want these to come out while I'm sleeping tonight. And, you know, just waste all the time that I took to detangle my hair. Like, I worked so hard to detangle this. And so yeah, that's what we have. One nice big fat braid, which will hopefully be dry in the morning for the last step before protective styling. I know. Y'all probably talking like, girl, you got more stuff to... Yes, okay. But I'm gonna keep doing the rest of my hair and I will check back in with you guys when I am finished. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day and my hair it's still a little wet, but it's basically 80-90% dry. So it's totally fine for the last step I'm going to be doing, which is giving myself a much needed trim. So I do make it a point to trim my hair before protective styling, especially if I haven't done it recently. Last time I trimmed my hair was probably 6 months ago, so it's just time. And I have dead ends. That's why I didn't care about putting the rubber bands on here, because I'm probably cutting all this off anyway. So I do have a video on how I trim my hair, and in there it gives you a different stretching method for it. So you can always just refer back to that video. I'm not going to do an in-depth explanation of what I do here. Okay guys, so my hair is clean, my hair is conditioned, it is soft, and it is trimmed. So it's basically ready to go, but I have one last little step that I'm gonna do, which I know you're probably like, girl, you've been doing too much anyway. But I'm gonna take the original combo from Melanin Hair Care. I'm gonna use the Twist Elongating Style Cream and the multi-use oil blend, and I'm just gonna moisturize my hair one last time before I do this protective style. And I'm not gonna do a lot, like I'm gonna do it in these big 4 quadrants, because my hair is pretty moisturized. I just like this as like a one last good little sealant on everything. So I take about a 1/4 size amount and then rub that all over my hair. I'm twisting my hair to kind of get it inside of it. Seal it up with a little bit of oil. And then I'm going to take some of that oil and I'm going to put it on my scalp, just so my scalp is nice and moisturized and doesn't dry out or anything crazy. while I'm protective styling. And then I'm gonna just twist it back up and put it in a little bantu knot till I'm actually ready to braid it up. Boom. So I'm gonna repeat that all over my head, and then guys, we will finally be done with this prepping for the protective styling. And there you go, my hair is ready for long-term protective styling. So this time around, I'm going to do some mystic braids, and hopefully I put a little clip in here, a little teaser video for y'all so y'all can see how cute they're gonna come out, because in my head, they look bomb. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and to turn on your post notifications so that you know when that video goes live next week. But thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you taking this time with me. Be sure to comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on the way out, because it would really mean a lot to me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.